and this is my video about exam P1. This is number 1. For each of the following transfer function, write the corresponding differential equation. This is a letter E. X times s over f times s is equals to 7 over s to the power of 2 plus 5s plus 10. Let's now proceed. X times s times s to the power of 2 plus 5s plus 10, and the result and the equals f times s times 7 s squared plus 5s x times s plus 10 x times s is equals to 7fs. Now taking the inverse Laplace transform equals dx to the power of 2 over dt to the power of 2 plus 5 dx times t over dt plus 10x times t is equals to 7f times t. Now let's proceed to the b. The b is x times s over f times s equals to 15 over s plus 10 times s plus 11 is equals to s plus 10 times s plus 11 x times s is equals to 15 f times s. Now this is equals to s to the power of 2 plus 21 218 plus 110. This is a result of the how times, but how to we get the 218 plus 110. And now proceed to x times s equals to 15f times s equals s to the power of 2 x times s plus 21 times s x times s plus 110 x times s equals to 15f times s. Now taking the inverse Laplace transform both sides, d to the power of 2 x times t over dt to the power of 2 plus 21 dx times t over dt plus 110 x times t equals to 15f times t. Okay, and that's all the number 1. And now let's proceed to number 2. Derive the Laplace transform for the following time functions. The letter E. U times t. Laplace formula of u times t is L u times t equals, now this is the result. And to calculate this integral, let's assume that r infinity is it or higher, and negative is also it or any other integer. Let's proceed to the b. Tu times t L is equals, this is the result. And to solve this, let also assume r infinity is it and negative is also it. Finally we get our answer as 1 over 64 or 1 over s to the power of 2. Now let's proceed to number 3. This is a diagram of the number 3, and find the transfer function VO times s over v1 times s for the network shown. And now this is a diagram. This is the vi vi times t, and now this is the 2h, and this is a 3h plus this is a vo times t, and this is the 1 ohms and 1/2 f. Now transfer function by Laplace is vo times s, this is the formula, and over vi times s. Converting the circuit to Laplace form by replacing the time parameter into Laplace, b times t and v times s and r over and r to the follow the r, I times t and I times s. Laplace equivalent. This is the Laplace equivalent circuit. Now this is the diagram again, and proceed by applying nodal at node v times s. This is all this is the solving, and all and v times s minus vi times s over 25 plus v times s over 1 plus v times s over 35 plus 2 and 2 to the 2 over 5 equals 0, and v times s over 25 minus vi times s over 2 times s plus v times s over 1 plus v times s over 35 plus sorry okay, this is a 35 plus 2 over 5 is equal to 0, and then the v times s to 25 plus v times s plus 1 plus v times s over 2 plus 35 to the power of 2 equals to vi times s over 25. Now this is the v times s, get the bracket, and 1 over 25 plus 1 plus s over 2 plus 35 to the power of 2, close the bracket, and equals to vi times s over 25 equals to v times s, and get now get again again the bracket, and 2 plus 35 to the power of 2 plus 4s plus 6s to the power of 3 plus 25 to 25 to the power of 2 over 25 plus I times 2 plus 35 to the power of 2 is equals to vi times s over 25. Now let's proceed to the v times s equals to v1 times s to the bracket again, 35 to the power of 2 plus 2 over 6s to the power of 3 plus 5s to the power of 2 plus 4s plus 2, close the bracket, and this is the vo times s equals to 35 v times s over 35 plus 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 and 2 5 equals to 35 to the power of 2 v times s to the power over 35 to the power of 2 plus 2, and now let's proceed the 3s to the power of 35 to the power of 2 over 35 to the power of 2 plus 2, then the vi times s, close the bracket, and now we get 35 to the power of 2 plus 2 over 6s to the power of 3 plus 5s to the power of 2 plus 4s plus 2. Now this is transfer function is v VO times S, this is the formula, and VI times S is equals to 3S, 35 to the power of 2 equals I over 6S to the power of 3 plus 5S to the power of 2 plus 4S plus 2. and now that's all. And let's proceed the diagram. And this is the diagram and desired temperature. Temperature difference or voltage difference or fuel flow, actual temperature. This is the diagram, positive above and up, then under the negative. Then this is the thermostat, amplifier and bulb, and this is a heat now, and to going there to follow after going to actual temperature. This is the comments on diagram. For 1, the feedback signal of actual temperature is compound with the desired temperature by a comparator or a swimming point. And number 2, if the temperature difference is there positive or negative according to the requirements, thermostat will be operated. The main use of the thermostat is keep temperature constant. Number 3, if the temperature varies, the amplifier, bulb and heater is heating according to the requirements. Finally, by this closed loop control system of temperature control, we maintain accuracy of temperature control, also saving if the fuel if a saving of fuel is made to reduce the maintenance cost of system. And that's all my video, ma'am. Thank you.